So it's an update regarding 70th BPSC court case. Before seeing the status of today's court case, first we have to see this report which was published in The Hindu. So in this report, basically Karnataka Public Service Commission Prelims 2024 question paper has been cancelled. Prelims examination has been cancelled due to the translation error. So in this report, we will elaborately see the instance of preliminary examination which was duly cancelled by the government of Karnataka. So Karnataka CM announces KPSC prelims exam will be conducted again in 2 months due to error in translation from English to Kannada in question paper. रेलेवेंसी इसका है इस एग्ज़ाम से भी. तो चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज़ ऑल्सो ऑर्डर्ड ऑफिशियल्स एट KPSC रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिबैकल टू बी रिलीव्ड एट देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मतलब जो भी इस तरह का इंस्टांस हुआ उसमें जो भी सम्मिलित थे उन सब को रिलीव करने का भी ऑर्डर चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ कर्नाटका के द्वारा पब्लिश किया गया है यहाँ पे. तो आगे अगर मूव करें हम लोग, तो इन द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट वी विल सी दैट the preliminary exams for filling posts of 350 gazetted probationary officer held on August 27 by the Karnataka Public Service Commission will be conducted again in the next 2 months. There had been an outrage over the poor translation of questions from English to Kannada, leading to confusion among Kannada medium students in the examination. Again, in the light of reports of inappropriate Kannada translation of questions in the KPSC gazetted probationers examination, I have directed KPSC, it is said by the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, to reconduct the examination within 2 months to ensure fairness to all candidates. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah posted on social media platform X. तो उन्होंने X पे ये जानकारी अपनी शेयर की थी. Of the 1.3 lakh students who took the examination, over 1 lakh students came from Kannada medium education and from rural background. Hence, the erroneous translation created a stir. Kannada Development Authority took note of the erroneous translation and served a notice to KPSC. Responding to the notice, KPSC denied using any technology for the translation and informed that the translation was done by translators assigned by the translation department of the commission. Next, KDA chairman Purushottam Bilimale, Kannada Sahitya Akademi chairman Ellen Mukundaraj were among those who had come down heavily on the errors in the translation in the question paper. Next, the issue was trending on social media with user creating hashtag like KPSC Mosa, Kasri exam falana falana. Minister of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Priyanka Kharge had recently posted on social media that he had informed the Chief Minister of the concerns of students and a decision would be announced soon. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे मोटो ये है कि ये जो एग्जामिनेशन था KPSC का which was cancelled only because there is a translation error in the question paper, that is from English to Kannada there was erroneous translation. So the state government had decided to further cancel the complete preliminary examination and decided to reconduct the exam. BPSC में तो हम लोग देख ही रहे हैं कि there are so many translation error, spelling errors, multiple errors. In fact, there are multiple issues, and regarding those already writ petitions has been filed in the Honorable Patna High Court. So today the case has been listed before the Honorable High Court, and if we see the today's status, let's see. So all 3 writ petitions which was filed previously before the Honorable Court has been merged and listed as same, that is on same date. So if we see the status of CWJC 369/2025, here is your case number. If we see the case status, then Pappu Kumar versus the state of Bihar, and in this case if you see the action date, that is 27 Feb 2025, and on that date the next hearing date was allowed on 4th of March 2025. There was also an error in the order which is duly corrected by the Honorable Court, and this case has been listed before Honorable Mr. Justice Arvind Singh Chandel for admission 4 मार्च 2025. तो यहाँ आप देखेंगे तो ये केस जो है वो आज लिस्ट किया गया है 4 मार्च 2025 को, and in this case previously the time has also been specified, that is 12 noon. So let's see what will happen today. Something fruitful must come from court, honorable court today's, so we have to wait until the result has come. तो ये अपडेट है 70वीं बीपीएससी के कोर्ट केस के रिगार्डिंग। कर्नाटका पीएससी सिर्फ इसलिए कैंसिल हो गया कि वहाँ पर ट्रांसलेशन का एरर था। सो दीज ऑल आर द अपडेट्स रिगार्डिंग 70th बीपीएससी कोर्ट केस। सो वी हैव टू वेट टिल इवनिंग and see what the result has come. Hope for the best. Thank you and stay tuned for further updates. If you are preparing for BPSC and other Bihar related examination, you will get here all the updates as well as study material. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Good day.